Think you can decode a guy's body language? You might even believe you're a pro at it. Yet, sometimes his signals are not what you expect. This can leave you both puzzled, yearning for clearer communication. It's tricky to know if he truly likes you, but there are subtle body language signs that reveal his secret interest. In this video, we are going to show you what those signs are and how to tell the difference between someone who is just being friendly and someone who is genuinely interested in you. Stay tuned till the end so you catch every detail. Welcome to a new video from the Women Relationship Psychology YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more relationship psychology videos and comment down below if you've ever noticed these signs. And let us welcome you. Let's start. Let's talk about open posture. When his feet are shoulder-width apart and his shoulders are relaxed, his hands and arms remain uncrossed and his jaw is unclinched. It indicates he's curious and attentive to you, as explained by licensed therapist Shamira Howard. Visible hands. Consider it a good thing if when you're with this guy he doesn't keep his hands chilling in his pockets or behind his back. When a guy is comfortable around you, his hands are usually visible, confirms Howard. Head tilts. He tilts his head in two directions. When a guy tilts his head to the side, it shows that he's curious and tuned in. You're obviously occupying that left brain of his, so play into that, you smart girl, advises Shamira Howard. Relaxed breathing. His breathing is relaxed. When his breathing is at a slow pace, this indicates that he is relaxed and can fully be himself around you. This is a good sign, as men like to feel comfortable around their partners, says relationship expert and psychotherapist Melissa Dearest Thompson. Clammy hands. If his palms feel a bit sweaty, it could indicate that he's nervous. Being nervous is a sign that he could potentially have interest and doesn't want to mess anything up, says Thompson. Inadvertent touches. He inadvertently grazes or touches you. Whether he accidentally touches your hand or can't stop hitting your foot underneath the table, it's a great sign of contact because it shows he wants to be close to you physically, says Thompson. Playing with his necktie. He plays with his necktie. When people get nervous, they often touch the visible dip area where the neck meets the collarbones as a form of self-soothing, says David Bennett, counselor and relationship expert. Since the knot of the necktie is in this area, guys will often play with their neckties when they're really into a woman and bothered by it, Bennett explains. Mirroring your movements. He mirrors your movements. If you notice that he mimics your gestures or body language, it's a subconscious way of showing that he's in sync with you and feels a connection, says Bennett. Sustained eye contact. He maintains sustained eye contact. When a guy likes you, he will often hold your gaze a little longer than usual. Eye contact is a powerful way to convey interest and attraction, says Howard. Leaning in. He leans in during conversations. If he consistently leans closer to you while talking, it signifies that he wants to be nearer to you and is engaged in the interaction, Thompson adds. He stands inches from you. What this means. When you're face-to-face in line at a restaurant, on a subway car, or saying goodbye, whatever the situation may be, he just can't resist the urge to be as close to your face as possible. If he's not afraid of body closeness and makes his desires clear but not creepy, it's likely he wants to take advantage of being as close to you as possible, says dating coach Andy Forrest. 11. His pupils are huge. Either you're in a super dark place, or this subtle signal means he's into you. Pupil dilation is a brain response that occurs when you like and are attracted to something, says Wood. 12. His eyebrows raise up when he sees you. If he likes you and likes what he sees, as soon as he sees you, he wants more of you. The aperture of his eyes increases, making his eyebrows raise, says Wood. This also means he's interested in whatever you're saying. 13. He shows you his front teeth when he smiles. Guys stop smiling like this around the age of 5 unless they're really happy, says Wood. He might not show off a toothy grin while casually flirting, but on a really awesome date when he's having loads of fun, look for teeth. When he feels really happy, he's not covering that up, says Wood. Understanding these subtle body language signs can help you decode whether a guy secretly likes you but is trying not to show it. Pay attention to his posture, gestures, and how he interacts with you physically. If you notice several of these behaviors, it's likely that he has genuine feelings for you. Remember, everyone is different, and body language can sometimes be influenced by other factors like personality or cultural background. However, when combined with other signs, these body language cues can provide valuable insights into his true intentions.